Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we are going to be learning how to save pictures in AOL Mail application using iPhone. So make sure you watch the video till the end and follow through the instructions. First of all, open the AOL Mail application from your iPhone. Make sure that you're signed into your account as well. Once signed in, tap on the inbox button at the bottom left. This will now take you to your inbox for AOL Mail. Open up the email with the picture you would like to save. Once you open up the email and tap open the picture, simply tap on the share button at the top right corner and then click on Save Image in the expanded menu. Allow AOL to access to your phone's camera roll by tapping on Allow. Once you do that, the selected picture will be now saved inside your iPhone's storage. Simply go to your gallery and open it up, and that's how you should be able to save an image on AOL Mail. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the notification bell so that you never miss out on another update from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.